Imagine that you have started a business and maintaining your sales data into Excel sheets. 5 years down the line, you decide to move on Oracle database. Once you migrate, you would definitely need old Excel data into the database, right? Think about it. How difficult it would be to manually input 5 years of data into Oracle database. There has to be a solution. The solution is SQL Loader. It is an Oracle utility which will help you to upload data into Oracle database. You can easily upload CSV files or your text files into the Oracle database. Let us first learn more about SQL Loader utility, and later we will look at the lab activity as to how to perform data load inside Oracle. The utility is used to load data from a text file to Oracle database table. The text files are known as flat files, and it can be in the .txt or .csv format. Further, SQL Loader utility has different types of files. First, we have a control file. Please note that this control file is different from the database control file. This control file actually defines the parameters which tells how to load data into the table. You actually specify what is the input file, what is the format of input data, in which database table are you going to import the data, and other things. Next, we have the input file. In simple, this is the file which contains data that will be loaded into the database table. This in file is nothing but the .txt or .csv file that you are going to import. Then we have the log file. Log file is to record actions of SQL Loader so that you can use this file for reference. Then we have bad file. Sometimes not all the records are imported into the database. There might be some issue with the records. The records which fail to load inside the database because of some reason or the other will be stored in this bad file. And finally, we have the discard file. But before understanding about discard file, let me tell you one feature of SQL Loader. Let us assume you want to import sales transactions only for the month of Jan 2016. But your input file contains transactions of the entire 2016 year. You can even define a where clause while importing the data so that out of the entire 2016 sales, only January transactions are imported. The rest of the records which do not meet the import condition will be kept in the discard file. All the records which do not satisfy any import condition and do not get imported to table are kept in the discard file. In our lab activity, we will be creating a dummy CSV file and will import it inside the database table.